PSA, if your air conditioners are blowing in this heat, you just, no matter what you do, it is blowing that breaker, and you're looking at that breaker. It says 20 amps on it, don't it? That AC is only supposed to run 15 amps. I'll tell you right now, if it looks like this on the condenser, or it looks like this inside where the blower, where it gets cold on the evaporator, I promise you it's running a lot more than 15 amps. And that's a good reason when it gets hot, you're blowing a breaker. So hey, if you can't do it yourself, you might want to contact somebody to get up there and clean it. But I'll tell you, it's not that hard. If you can remove a Phillips and take a cover off, and you know how to use a toothbrush, so that's what it takes. Those fins right there, you do not want to bend them. That's why maybe you might want to leave it to the professional. If you bend one of those fins, it got expensive, brother, or ma'am, or sister, cousin. Let's get to it. Let's clean that off. All right, first step, spray it. Let's get it wet. That's right, get it wet, you guys. So wet. Next step, toothbrush, hot water. Get the water as hot as you can get it. The hotter the better. I usually brush down, and you just want to push down with the fins. Down with the fin. Down with the fin. And it pushes it right out, see? Don't hurt those fins. You hurt those fins, it ain't gonna work right. So don't go sideways. You go sideways and get a little pinchy there, you ain't gonna have no cooling. As a matter of fact, it's just gonna blow it faster. So we're trying to fix your blowing problem. Let's protect those fins. Is it dog hair?
That's a lot of hair.
That's dog hair. We're on a roof, you guys. There ain't no dogs on this roof. Nasty. So it's cottonwood fuzz. You know, that white stuff that floats in the air. Kind of looks like that. Look at it. Telling you, clean it. You guys, that's horrible. There's so much nasty built up. We're about to get the air compressor. There's a flashlight there, and it is pretty filthy. See what it looks like when we're done. It's just from that half. Come on. No, you want to. Ugh. It's delicious. Lot better. You can actually see through it now. That's just water and liquids. So let's clean those AC condensers. Let's clean those AC evaporators. I promise you your AC probably still works, and it's only blowing breakers because it's dirty. It's not your fault. These things are hard to freaking get to and clean. So get her clean, get it working. Stay cool, you guys. It's hot out there. All right, let's get this thing put back together. That was pretty simple. Benefit after you clean that condenser is you get to have AC